and welcome back to my channel. So for today's wash day, I'm going to be using products from two separate black-owned brands. Partially this video is a continuation from the last video. I will be using some of the products from Honey's Handmade, so if you have not seen that video and just the rundown of the products that I'll be using in this video, definitely check that out first. But the other brand is new to me and to my channel, and this product is from yours truly, Tabitha Brown, the vegan TikTok star. If you have not heard of her, I don't see how you have not heard of her. She has been dubbed America's favorite mom, auntie, the best friend that you'll ever have on social media. I have been following her for quite some time, and she seems to be a very sweet lady on camera and off camera, just a very humble person, a humble human being who is now loved by millions all over this world. During this whole pandemic, she has definitely been the source of inspiration, motivation, a brightness in someone's day, bringing us all healthy vegan meal alternatives. I'm very glad I was able to get my hands on one of her products, so I will be showing that to you guys today. So let me introduce you guys to Donna. And this is Donna. For those that don't know who Donna is the name of Tabitha Brown's hair. That big pretty fro of hair she has, that's Donna. So the name of the product is Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. This is the Strength Hair Oil, and of course it's vegan because she's vegan. So it states this hair oil has the perfect blend of 18 natural oils and powders to stimulate follicles. So the ingredients include avocado oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter powder, tea tree oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, macadamia oil, argan oil, aloe vera seed oil, coconut oil, safflower oil, black seed oil, jojoba oil, thymus vulgaris oil, Organigrowhairco extract, I know I'm probably not saying that right at all, and vitamin E. So it says it's best if used daily and massage in the scalp 5 to 10 minutes. Also great to use on wet hair for maximum penetration. I love that it has a dropper, which makes it easier for application. You have better control over the product when it's in an applicator such as this. You can definitely smell the peppermint. The peppermint is the first thing that stands out. Not really sure what the rest of the ingredients just smell like on their own, but that peppermint definitely stands out. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply Donna to my hair and scalp. So as I mentioned earlier, for this wash day, I will be using products from Honey's Handmade. These products are going to be from the third collection with Honey's Handmade. I'm going to be using the Melba's Honey Glazed Poo Bar. I'm going to be using the Pre-Poo Condition Serum, Melba's Okra and Onion Seed Slippery M Hair Mask. And for my stylers, I'll be using Melba's Pound Cake Curl Cream Hair Smoothie in combination with Melba's Lemon Meringue Curl Friendly Wet Jelly. So I'm going to take this off and we're just going to dive right into these products and hopefully have a really great wash day. I'm really looking forward to how my hair is going to turn out using those two stylers from Honey's Handmade. So we'll see. The instructions on the Pre-Poo Condition Serum are pretty straightforward. Basically, you apply it to the ends of your dry hair, avoiding the roots. It doesn't say to leave it in or wash it out, but I'm going to lightly detangle my ends and wash it out. It claims it helps detangle, condition, tame frizz, and strengthen my hair naturally. I'm loving this shampoo bar. It's giving me slip while detangling my hair. It's giving me moisture, a rich lather, and it feels very cleansing. My hair did not feel stripped at all after rinsing it out. The Okra and Onion Seed Hair Mask is very penetrating on my hair. It also provides a pretty decent slip. It's moisturizing, softening to my hair, and I can see that this mask won't last long. It really feels good on my hair and it smells wonderful. The instructions for daily use of Donna's Recipe says for maximum penetration to apply and massage on wet hair. So how I like to apply it is by sectioning my hair off into 4 parts and just applying the oil along those 4 parts and around the perimeters of my hair and giving myself a good scalp massage for 5 to 10 minutes. What I love about this oil is the cooling, tingling sensation that it gives. It wakes up my roots and opens my pores, making my scalp feel so good and my hair nice and soft. Because my hair shrinks so bad before styling, I'm going to use this cool water refresher for extra conditioning and brush it through to keep my hair from drying out too fast. For styling, I'm going to run both the hair smoothie and the lemon meringue wet jelly in my hair and brush it through. Now I can stop right there and make this a wash and go, but after feeling the application of these two combined, I'm not really feeling comfortable about that, so I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist instead. concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me use these products from Honey's Handmade and Donna's Recipe. Donna's Recipe is hands down a really great hair oil. If you're looking for an amazing hair oil, definitely don't look any further than Donna's Recipe. It has all of the ingredients that you need for stimulating hair growth. It smells amazing, great quality ingredients. So I'm definitely a fan, and I will continue to use this Strength Hair Oil by Tabitha Brown, Donna's Recipe. As far as the products from Honey's Handmade, I really love this curl-friendly wet jelly. I didn't really need to combine it with this pound cake creme smoothie. This smoothie kind of sat on my hair a little bit. It didn't really penetrate like I thought it would, and I think it's just a little bit too watery and a little bit too thin for my hair. It didn't really go well. It wasn't really needed with this curl jelly. It didn't really mesh well together. I think I could have used maybe something different in combination with this curl jelly, or just the curl jelly by itself. I really didn't need to combine this with anything else. It gave me really great definition and fullness, but my hair does feel a little dry. It looks a little dry, so the shine kind of went out the window. I don't know where the moisture went, but yeah, that kind of went out the window too. But they're still good products. I would just not use them in combination. Again, I would use the hair smoothie really as a leave-in, and I would use this curl-friendly wet jelly as, of course, a styler. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that way you'll be alerted of when I upload more videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!